Bike life.
What'd you say? If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up.
So this one here, you gotta put lots. Lube, a lot of lube. This is water-based lube, okay?
Okay.
This one's good. Then you gotta put the rubber on.
Alright.
Alright, so we're gonna put the rubber on. You see? Watch. You spin it as much as you can, and then you let the machine do the work. Okay, boom. And then, because this tire is nice and tight, we're gonna the hose. Boom. You're gonna put it in there. Last pedal. When you use a lot of lube, that helps.
God damn, that scared the
That was
Oh, there's a wasp. There's a wasp. There's a wasp. Oh, yo, why is this little guy on me? Did you just slap him?
You never use a shock for what?
the jerk off.
God damn, Ricky Bobby.
Oh, it's gonna
Is
sting.
that a bee?
Let's sting it.
Let's sting it.
Let's make it sting us. I used to use a sock to do coffee.
Sorry about that, little buddy. Shut with me. I got Ricky Bobby on my side.
Armin! Right in there, brother.
Situation part 1.
Okay, so what's our situation though?
Our situation is we had bear videos lined up and almost all of them fell through.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, you want to see me do a burnout?
On what, your bike?
Yeah.
Give him something, bro.
Let's give the people something.
So, as you guys know, we've been talking about cutting Sean's hair. The barber was supposed to come today, but he had some other things come up, so he couldn't come till 9. So we have nothing to film. So
And I ain't trying to stay here till 9. That's not happening.
yeah, and we gotta film this and upload it by tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Bruh, what are we filming?
anything and everything right now. You wanna do a burnout on your bike?
I don't have my bike here.
Oh, then
Bike life.
I got a little bit of hot rubber scent on me, but it's all good.
Ricky missed it. You gotta do it again.
All right, one more.
This time shift through your gear. Yo, he's full throttle. You don't have.
Talks the most, bro.
Oh man. Oh, you shredded your tire too.
Yeah, that's alright, bro. I get a move.
This concrete isn't really the best thing to.
No, I know. Yeah, shit. Rush tires, so that's why they
Oh,
gave up.
No.
super stiff.
Race tires.
RS10 ones, bro. What you got? That's the same thing.
I got this. High five. High five is best. We got him good. It's good, very good. That's sick. I'm gonna ride this thing one day.
Good luck. I know.
Give you $1.
Buddy, you can't.
$1?
Give you $2.
You don't have the skill, bro.
Give you $2.
Look what you did to your ZX stack.
Quit.
I quit too fast.
Yo, so Nico brings something to the shop, you know, and he's like all out here like, yo, I have all the things. And then Uncle came and swept her and was like, I got chickens.
I got tickets.
Yo, those chickens are half the game, bro. Just bust up the love chickens.
Chicks love chickens.
Chicks love, so do I. I love chicken too. That's why.
Whose BMW is this? Whose?
Shots.
What?
Shots.
No. What?
Shots is
Who?
boy.
Who shots?
Our boy. We got the Z.
Which Z?
The supercharged one.
It's his bike?
Yeah.
How much money does this guy have?
BMW. That's why I call him shots. That's why I call him shots. You know, he calls his shots. Like from boss.
God damn.
Yo. $1,000 giveaway, fam. It's going down. Make sure you enter.
Yeah.
Follow us on Instagram,
TikTok
at Too Fast Inc. and at Too Fast TV, and then make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel because you're already watching it, douche. After that, send us email as a proof, like that you did it. Like screenshot it, send it to us, and then you're entered in the draw, and everything will be lit. Yo, $1,000 gift card to spend at Too Fast. So you know you're gonna be $1,000 faster. I like these wheels over here. See these wheels right here? You're not gonna get them for $1,000, but you get $1,000 off these wheels. These are sexy as hell. Yo, come follow me. Come follow me.
Let's follow him. He's on some
This way. Sorry, Uncle. Yo, guys, check this out. See all these exhausts over here? With $1,000, you could get your exhaust done and you could sound like a bodman. Come with me. Come with me.
I already know from
Yo, whoa, stop. Right there. Ventus splitters and diffusers. You could get those. $1,000.
Wow!
Yo, come with me. Come with me. Let's go. Quick, man. Come on. Falling behind, man. Yo, see all these steering wheels? You could get steering wheels. You could get vinyls. What else? Yo. Wait, man. Too close. Back up. No, come. Let's go. See these grills? You could get one of those, but just wait. That's not it.
But wait, there's more. Oh, this guy's serious.
You could get one of these UTVs, fam. For $1,000, you could probably get 2 of these though. Dog.
One for you, one for your kid.
One for you, one for your kid. As you can see, I'm a full-grown adult and I still fit. Done no. So make sure that you enter, and yo, when you hear your name, you're gonna be friggin' happy. I promise you that. What? Too fast.
Fast TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Gangish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't drive. It is what it is.
The only time I see a grown man driving one of these is when he has too many DUIs.
Suck 4.